this, here's a cheap trick to fix your stove. It's just a razor blade. Get all the grime off of there. You have to have a certain angle though. Let's see how much better that looks already. That's just with one pass. Here's the second pass. Let's see, it's already cleaned up. Here's what I got off of there. Nice pile of chunks. We're gonna clean it up with some glass cleaner next. Here's the finished product. It's a little Mr. Clean freak. Probably use glass cleaner, might look a little bit better. Thought I'd give this a whirl. See if it works on the glass door. Seems like it's working. Might take a lot of passes to get this clean, but seems to work. So I'm pressing with my thumbs with a bit of pressure as I cross the glass. And all that came off. A little glue gun, got some citrus acid in it. It helps get some of the crusties out the edges. There you go. There's the final product. Looks night and day. How nice and shiny that is. About all you can do is maybe work at those little black specks on the metal frame, but I didn't want to get the metal cut in anyway, so I'll try something else some other day. But if you like this, give it a whirl. Try the Goo Gone, try the Mr. Clean. I'll put a post up for the razor blades I used. When using the razor blades, just hold with your index fingers and press with your thumbs and go to an angle that seems to be working without cutting the glass. One other little hack my wife had was to use an oven mat. All you have to do is pull it out, dump it off, or wipe it off. High temperature plastic, I'm guessing, but works great. Looks clean. Nice touch for your oven. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like some of the things I put in this, you can buy them from me. Help me out with my channel. Thanks.